Today on the 2010 Nissan Rogue, I'm going to show you how to change out your headlight bulb. And it's a very simple process. I mean, they give you quite a lot of room to do this. So, yeah, that's all I can say. I mean, besides, let's get to it this time. Alright, so the first bulb you're going to see is this one here, and that is your high beams. So this is your high beams. Don't get that mixed up with your low beams. The low beams are behind on this side, which is the side that we're working with, the passenger side. Your low beams are going to be behind the windshield washer fluid. And you can actually get to it. It's not that hard to get to it. But as you can tell, it's right there, and it's not that hard. It's pretty simple. So, right behind the washer fluid reservoir, or the filler neck, or however you want to say that, I'm just gonna take the low beam bulb, and there's a little pin on the connector that you just pull up and the bulb comes out. So you just pull it up, bulb comes out. It's nothing really majorly overcomplicated. So here's the new bulb here. You don't want to touch the filament when you install this, which is this part here, or the glass housing. You never want to touch that with your oily hands. But what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take some CRC cleaner and actually clean off the terminals. So I'm going to take a little CRC cleaner, clean off the terminals here. Set that up here. And then put the new headlight. And there is a notch on the back here, if you can see that. I don't know if you can, it's pretty bright out. There's a little notch in there. You can't really flip it upside down. It won't work. But we're gonna just slide that in, and it clicks into place. And from this point, I'm just gonna reroute it back in to the housing. And then at this point, as you can see it, we're just gonna twist it. Now that it's in the housing and lined up, twist it to lock it in place. There we go. We verify that it works again. We have the light on the driver's side, passenger side. But it's a very simple process to actually just get the headlight bulb put in, and I mean, on a Nissan Rogue, they give you a lot of space with this 4-cylinder motor that's underneath this hood. So maybe it might help somebody else. I mean, there's probably tons of these types of videos online. So for this particular model too. But what's not another one to add into it? Hope it helped. And I hope I didn't blow the airbag.